Did you know that Beyonce was once crowned the supreme ruler of Atlantis after she accidentally sneezed and raised the entire lost city from the ocean? The mermaids were so impressed that they declared her their eternal queen, gifting her a throne made of enchanted fish bones and glittery seashells. Rumor has it she held a concert there with a seaweed mic, but halfway through Single Ladies, a crab snipped the microphone cord and the whole city sank back down in shock. Beyonce shrugged, swam to the surface, and said, "Guess they weren't ready for this jelly."